Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to be showing you how I turn a drill driver into a cutting by a bit of an angle grinder. I've sent off these parts. Just show you what's in here. It should be there we go. Should be two different sorts. I've got two different sizes that fit two different chucks, that one and that one. They should both fit in a normal drill. And then you have this that goes on the top, this one goes on the bottom. So all you need to do with this, you have a cutout just there and just there, and that matches up to this here. That and that fits in like so. Also, I should have measured this before I ordered it. I always often do this. I should have ordered, this is, I thought it would fit this, it's 22.23 mils. It turns out that it's actually 16 mils. So it doesn't actually fit. So I had to spend another £10. I got 10 discs, which I think is pretty good. Show the difference. That one there, and then look, I've had a look, see if I can buy a washer so I can fit that and use these bigger discs. I think you can, but I just couldn't find one the other day. So yeah, that's that like so. Then you've got these here. So what you want to do with this is, once that's on like so, that goes on there, so it's nice and flush, and then just tighten it with your hand and just finger tighten it. And then all you need to do, once that's done, use your two tools. You've got your two prongs there, that doesn't need any explaining, just in there like so. Get your spanner. Spanner like so. Tiny up. Yeah, need it really tight, because you don't want this coming undone while using it. Yeah, it's nice and nipped up tightly. Once that's done, when you drill, you want your screwdriver, you drill. Want to drill set. I've got a maximum speed here. It's nice and wide and open, that, so just keep it nice and tight. So that's it. That's how you convert a drill into a cutter. You've got to be careful with this. You don't want to, because it's got no protection on it, so do be careful when using it. Always use eye protection, and just be careful. Anything you're trying to cut, make sure you give it a good go before you do any damage. I'll show you what I'm going to be doing with this now. If I just want to turn around here, I bought this so I can cut this. Don't know if you can see this here. Just move that out to the way. Sorry about this, folks. Just using that to mark it with. But yeah, as you can see here, using this just to cut this. Let's see how well it works. To the back, like so. And all we're doing is like so. As you can see, I'm just using it to cut this here. Just marked it out so it's nice and straight. So yeah, once that's done like so, for a couple of £, you don't have to buy an angling grinder, you can use that like so. So yeah, if you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like the videos, please subscribe. And remember, happy sewing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, please keep safe. Thank you.